One thing you can do now here in all versions of Excel, including the desktop version here in Windows, is record actions. You don't need to know coding to create scripts. All you have to do is turn on the recording, go through the steps, stop recording, and the script will be created. That's what we're going to explore right now. I have a workbook open here. When I go up to File and select Print with this particular workbook, you can see by default it's printing in portrait mode on an A4 sheet of paper, and it doesn't quite fit. I have these arrows down below so I can see the rest of it across multiple pages. So one thing I might want to do is just change this up so that the page layout is wider than it is tall. Change the size of the paper. These are actions you might have to repeat over and over. Instead of repeating them, you can record them and then just play the script when you need it. So I'm going to, before I start changing anything in this particular sheet, turn on the recordings by going up to Automate. Then click New Script. And there it is, Record Actions. By choosing Record Actions, you can simply record what you're doing and the script will be coded for you. So we'll click Record Actions. Over here on the right-hand side, a pane is going to open up telling you that you're about to record everything you do on this page. If you don't see this Automate tab at the top, it's possible your subscription license does not allow for it, or you might have an administrator who's disabled it. But just so you can know, this is how we do it. We go up on the Automate, New Script, and then click Record Actions. Everything we do now is going to be recorded. So we'll go up to Page Layout. We'll go up to the Orientation, click the drop down, and change it to Landscape. We'll also change the paper size, maybe from letter to legal, so it's even wider. You can see these things are being recorded here in the Record Actions pane. For the sake of time, we'll keep it short and sweet. Click on Stop at this point, so everything that I just went through was applied to this worksheet. But a script was also recorded, so I can reuse it. We'll go up to where it says Script and change the name to something more descriptive like Print Wide. Press Enter, that locks it in. You can add a description if you want to be even more descriptive about what this script does, like changes to landscape using legal-sized paper. Like so, press Enter and lock that in. Alright, so we're ready to test this out. I'm going to close this up, the code editor, and now close up Record Actions. And when we go up to File and Print, because we went through those steps, you can see how everything fits. Let's return the orientation to Portrait. We're going to change the orientation by using our script this time. We're just going to go up to Automate, click the All Scripts button. There it is, Print Wide, Return in Office Scripts. Clicking it and then clicking Run is going to apply to our current sheet. So all those other options you see here can be adjusted if you wanted to after running it. Let's see what happens when we go up to File and Print now. On this sheet, you can see it's using the A4 paper, and it is in landscape orientation. Everything seems to fit nicely on a single page this way. So we could go from worksheet to worksheet, running this script, not having to repeat all of the steps necessary to get it looking the way we want. At any time, we can go in and edit. If you are into coding, clicking Edit will show you the code that was written based on recording your actions, something you don't need to know. Thanks to this Record Actions feature, now available here in the desktop version of Microsoft Excel. Thank you for watching this video all the way to the end. I'm going to catch you in the next video.